Looking to invest in stocks using eToro. In this video I'll show you how to buy stocks step by step on your PC. Let's get started. First visit the eToro's website and log in. If you don't have an account, sign up, verify your details and deposit funds to get started. Once logged in, go to the Markets section on the sidebar. You can select stocks from the top menu or use the search bar to find specific companies like Apple or Tesla. Analyze the stock's performance and key metrics before investing. You'll see the change in the stock's price from the recent day, and if the market is closed or open. You can also see its stats, its chart, and do some research. In the Research tab, you'll see insider transactions, which will all help you understand the stock better. You can also read up on their public quarterly and yearly analysis on their website. When you're ready, click on the Trade button and choose either buy or sell. Enter the amount you'd wish to invest. You can either buy fractional shares or whole shares. Adjust your stop loss, take profits, or leverage if necessary. You can choose market order to buy immediately, or limit order to set a price threshold. Then simply click on set order to confirm your purchase. If the market is open, you'll see an open trade button instead of the set order button. Double check all settings before finalizing. If you're new, start with small investments to get familiar with the platform. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Practice with virtual funds before investing real money. And be cautious using leverage, as it increases risk.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.